Craft Workshop, Understanding the Phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and creative English phrase, craft workshop. This phrase is not just about arts and crafts. It's a doorway to understanding how English combines words to create new meanings. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. The word craft in English has multiple meanings. Primarily, it refers to activities involving skill in making things by hand, like knitting, woodwork, or pottery. It's all about creating something with care, skill, and personal touch. But craft can also mean a boat or a ship, and in a broader sense, it's used to describe a skill in planning, making, or executing something. This duality adds richness to the phrase, craft workshop. Now, let's explore workshop. A workshop is a space or a room where people engage in manual or creative work. It's a place for learning, practicing, and honing skills. When we think of a workshop, we imagine a space filled with tools, materials, and people actively engaged in creating something. It's a hands-on, practical environment. When we combine these two words, craft workshop becomes a special term. It refers to a place where people gather to learn and practice the skills of making crafts. It's a space for creativity, learning, and sharing knowledge about handcrafting. These workshops can be about anything from pottery to jewelry making, from woodworking to textile arts. It's not just a physical space, it's an experience, a community, and a learning environment. I hope this video has helped you understand what a craft workshop is and the beauty it holds in the English language. It's not just about the words, but the stories, skills, and communities they represent. Keep exploring English, and you'll find more such gems. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.